Right guys, we're up on the car park again. It's a windy day, so you probably won't be able to hear me talking, but at least it's not raining. So we're more or less going straight, to be honest. Let's go back the other way. Go that way a bit. It is windy. I'm getting blown about, the car's okay. That'll do. Just remembered I wanted to try this other cam. This one gives it a wider left turn. So it'll still be going round in circles, but it'll be a wider circle. Still very windy here, so we'll just let it run. It's not a much wider circle, is it? More generous than that. In that case, we'll try this one, which should be a straight line. We'll find out. Very slight right turn to it. I think that'll do. Yet another cam I want to try out on this car. I really want to get it to do a figure of 8. So we'll see whether this one will do it. Clear of space. Oh, so close. Not quite. Well, definitely not a figure of 8. But certainly interesting. It's going to have to go on the car park again, isn't it? Because there just isn't enough space indoors to do that. I can't quite picture how I can get a cam that's going to get us a figure of 8 within this area. Interesting, but still not there. I thought he was going to do it then. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.